This is first model Walter's model. We'll see the problem number 8. Three companies achieved an EPS at rupees 12. So EPS for all the three company it is 12 only. And cost of capital 14%. 14% cost of capital. Same for three company. The first company achieved a rate of return ROI, return on investment or rate of return 20%. Second company 14%. And third company 12%. Based on Walter's model, calculate market price for all the three company. If retention ratio is given 75%, 50%, 25%, what is the market price if retention ratio is this? Also comment on the nature of the form. So first here retention ratio given, so we have to calculate dividend payout ratio. If 100% is the total income, less retention ratio, that is 75%, remaining will be the 25%, and that will be used for paying dividend to the shareholders. In case of second, 50% will be the payout ratio. 100 minus 50, it is 50% dividend payout ratio. Third, 100 minus 25, 75% will be the dividend payout ratio. We'll calculate market price of first company. So formula for calculating market price is D plus R into E minus D divided by K whole divided by K. So first we have to calculate D, that is dividend per share. EPS into dividend payout ratio. EPS of all three company, it is rupees 12. So EPS of first company 12 into 25%, rupees 3, then 6 rupees and 9 rupees. E, that is earning per share of all the three company, it is rupees 12. Rate of return of first company is 20%. So 0.20. Cost of capital of all the three company, it is 14%. That is 0.14. So market price P is equals to, now apply the formula with these information. So here is answer. When retention ratio is 75%, payout ratio will be 25% and market price will be 113. When payout ratio reduces to 50%, that time market price also reduces to 104 rupees 0.08. And when dividend payout ratio increases to 75%, that time market price reduces to 94 points. You can see when dividend payout ratio increases, market price keeps declining. When retention ratio increases, market price keeps on increasing. Then market price of second company, dividend per share, that will be same as previous company 3, 6 and 9. And rate of return of second company achieved a rate of return of 14%, 0.1. EPS and cost of capital same for all the company, so it is same for second company also. Therefore market price P is equals to, in case of second company, market price in all three payout ratio, it remains same because rate of return and cost of capital are same. So when cost of capital and rate of return, when it is same, at any payout ratio, market price will not change. So if market price is not changing at any payout ratio, then that form is called normal form. And here market price keeps declining when the dividend payout ratio or dividend per share increases. So that type of company is called growth firm, because investment is more, payout ratio is less. That this first company is a growth company. Third company, dividend per share 3, 6 and 9. And rate of return, third company achieved a rate of return 12%, 0.12. EPS is same and also cost of capital. In case of third company, market price when payout ratio is 25%, 76.53, 50%, market price is 79.53, rupees 82.65, and payout ratio is 75%. So this is a declining form because rate of return is less than cost of capital. Rate of return 12%, cost of capital 14%, and that's why payout ratio is more. When payout ratio increases, here market price also increases. When retention ratio increases, even here in case of third company, retention ratio on third circumstance, it is 25%. That time market price is high. When it increases to 50%, that time market price reduces. Retention ratio increases when it is increases 75%, that time market price reduces. So this is a declining firm. So they asked to comment. First company is a growth firm because the market price keeps declining with increasing payout. You can see here, as the payout ratio increases, market price reduces. Second company is a normal firm because the market price remains same for any payout ratio. So you can see here it is same for all the payout ratio. Third company is a declining firm, the market price increasing with the increasing payout ratio. You can see when market price increases, when payout ratio increases, market price also increasing. So you can observe the changes here. Thank you.